Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robot vacuum and mop devices. In the red corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. And in the blue corner, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum. Let's dive in and see how these two contenders stack up against each other in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AI Ultra is priced at $699, while the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes in at a higher price of $1,599. It's clear that the Shark AI Ultra is the more affordable option, but does the higher price of the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra justify its features? Let's find out. When it comes to cleaning performance, both devices offer impressive features. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction power and sonic mopping, making it effective on both carpets and hard floors. It also incorporates Matrix Clean technology for thorough cleaning and Clean Edge Detect for improved edge cleaning. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra features a dual rubber brush system for efficient cleaning on various surfaces. It also offers an upgraded Vibra 2.0 mopping system for deep and effective mopping. Smart features are becoming increasingly important in robot vacuums, and both the Shark AI Ultra and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra have some impressive offerings. The Shark AI Ultra comes with precision home mapping using 360 degrees lidar vision, allowing it to navigate your home efficiently. It also has a self-emptying base, recharge and resume functionality, and compatibility with the Shark app. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra boasts reactive 3D obstacle avoidance, advanced app control, and voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. For pet owners, it's important to consider how well these devices handle pet hair and messes. The Shark AI Ultra is designed to tackle pet hair and eliminate stuck-on pet messes with ease, thanks to its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll. Similarly, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's powerful suction ensures effective pet hair removal. Lastly, let's look at the additional features offered by these devices. The Shark AI Ultra comes with HEPA filtration, anti-allergen seal, and a self-cleaning brush roll. It also includes a range of accessories such as filters, side brushes, and microfiber mopping pads. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers a self-cleaning dock, a large dust bag for up to 7 weeks of dust storage, and a liftable brush and mop system for better cleaning effectiveness. Based on online reviews, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop has been praised for its tech-savvy features and affordability. Users have found it effective on various surfaces and particularly helpful for pet owners. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum has received positive reviews for its advanced mapping capabilities, obstacle avoidance, and overall efficiency. Users have also mentioned its reliability and convenience. Overall, both products have their unique advantages, and it's important to consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum. Both devices have their own unique features and advantages, so it's important to consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. We hope this comparison has helped you in your buying journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.